This is not you, it's something you have. You are not your body, you are the consciousness living inside it. Your body is a sacred vehicle, not your identity. Just like you're not a car you drive, you're not a body you wear. The real you is infinite, aware, and unchanging. When you remember this, you stop judging yourself. You stop attaching your worth to how you look, and you start living from your true power, your soul. I am not my body. I am the light within. My soul is infinite. I honor my body as my sacred vessel. I am pure awareness. I am the light within.